is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. They lay me down and the sky turned pink. And is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. And they lay me down and the sky turned pink. Oi, oi. उम्र में सारियां जी लियां, रोशनी में सारियां पी लियां, रंगां दी कहानियां चख चख के मैं ते हां उंगलियां चट गईयां.
Happy birthday, best friend. I hope you have an amazing birthday. Don't miss me much and talk to you soon. Love ya.
Okay, so this is almost like the 150th time that I'm trying to get this video done. But now you just have to take it whatever I get on this one. So Ritu Sangvi, everybody knows you're my first love and everybody knows how much I love you. I don't know if I say this enough to you, but yeah, I do love you with all my heart. I just love it when people call us sisters. It's just that feeling that I don't even get with my own sister. You are very special, and no matter what, I'm always there with you. I know I cannot have a friend who just thinks the way I do and who just understands me the way I want somebody to understand me. You are the one, my love. I love you. Happy birthday. Toodles.
Hi Riri, happy 25th birthday! Another year and you make me realize that shit, I'm going old and you are still going younger. And I so envy you for the fact that you are a year younger. Okay, jokes apart, wish you a very happy quarantine birthday. Everyone's 25th birthday is so memorable and yours is going to be the most special. Well, if I talk about your birthday, I go a year back to realize that my roller coaster life started just right around your birthday, and probably it's ending right around your birthday. And a special thanks to the fact that I wouldn't have wanted anybody but you during this entire journey of lows and highs, irrespective of the fact that I was not recognizing you in the hospital, but I wouldn't have wanted anybody but you besides me. Thank you for being there. I wish you a very amazing birthday. Wish you grow more fat, more pretty, and wiser than all of us to handle me during all those shitty times. Much love.
I know the most awaited day of the year, 7th June 2020, is here, but unfortunately, it won't be the most happening birthday of your life. Firstly, happy birthday, Loli. You are turning 25 this year, right? 1995, 2020, yeah, 25 years. So, happy birthday, and I don't have much to say. You know, I'm bad at all these videos and everything, but that's the only wish I want to give you right now. And I know it's not the first time we are celebrating your birthday since last 5 years in different countries, and hoping to meet you very soon. This is the place we spent most of our time, car back home as well and here as well. I know whenever I video call you at the same place, so that's why I wanted to record the video at the same place in my car. Once again, happy birthday, have fun, enjoy your quarantine, enjoy with your friends. Take care.
Hey, what's up, Sangani? So, I have been told that I have to create this birthday video for you, and I don't understand the purpose of it because I am as such going to meet you on your birthday. Anyways, and I'll tell Alexa to wish you a very happy birthday. Alexa, play.
Happy birthday, Ree. Middle-aged women always want to look younger. There must be a perfect age which everyone aspires to. Congratulations, you have reached that age. Enjoy your mid-20s till they last. Happy 25th birthday. You don't look a day over 21. Jokes apart. જો યાર સાચું કહું તો બહુ બધી ટ્રીટ્સ પેન્ડિંગ છે તારી. ટેસ્ટી ચીઝ મસાલા વડાપાઉં, વિશાલ સેન્ડવિચ, વાસુદેવ અડીગા સાઉથ ઇન્ડિયન, પુનેસ કટકીર મિસલ પાઉં, સેવ ઉસળ એન્ડ વોટ નોટ. એન્ડ મોસ્ટ ઓફ અબાઉ ઓલ ધીસ આપણી નોર્થ ટ્રીપ બાકી છે, જે આ લોકો આપણાને લઈને જ જવાના. તો આપણે કંઈ જુગાડ કરવો પડશે તો જ મજા આવશે દોસ્ત. વન્સ અગેન happy birthday. Have an amazing and self quarantined birthday. Bye.
Hey Ritu, happy birthday. I'm sending you my love all the way from Ireland. So I just want to remind you that this may be a confusing, challenging, and a very strange birthday for you. But we're all here for you. And if you ever need to lean back on anything, and if we're not around, I just want you to hold on to this beautiful promise, which I've told you so many times before because this is my favorite verse. It's from the book of Jeremiah. It says, I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future. So I want you to remember this and hold on to this promise. And once all of this madness is over, we're going to meet and celebrate your birthday like we should. God bless you, happy birthday, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Ritu. I miss you. You know that we all do. But I'm really glad that it worked out for you. And I'm also happy that, given the current scenario, you're back at home, safe, with your family, and getting to spend this day with them. So enjoy it, because you'll definitely remember this for many years to come. So have a good day, enjoy with your family, and miss us a little bit. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ritu. We miss having you here in Bangalore, especially having you in as a flatmate in ADL Sunshine, because I think after you left, I don't think anybody could fill in those shoes. Yeah.
Big clay.
We didn't, I don't think we ever had as great a flatmate and friend as you in that house after you left, in that room. So yeah, I wish you were here, and I wish we still live together and spend time together. But yeah, I hope you're having a great birthday, and I pray that God blesses you with a lot of good health, happiness, and may you have an amazing year ahead. See?
Happy birthday, Ritu. You just got a little older. Still can't catch up with us though. That's another story. But hey, we miss you. We definitely miss you in Bangalore. I miss not getting to fight with you as much as we often did.
Hi Ritu. Happy birthday, sweetheart. I don't know where to start or what to say. I mean, it's been ages since I saw you, and like, I miss our days together as roommates. And you know what I miss the most? All those silly fights we used to have on like not giving each other enough attention and all those dumb things, if you remember. But on a serious note, I miss like all those, you know, talks on life and intense talks we used to have. But anyway, just happy 25th birthday. And you know, 25 is a big deal, even though I still feel like you're just a kid. But enjoy your day, and you know, I'm sure this video is going to make you so happy. I wish I could see your reaction when you see this. But nevertheless, just have a beautiful year ahead, and I can't wait to see you. I love you.
Hey Ritu, what's up? Wish you many, many more happy birthday to you. Have a great year ahead. I heard it is your 25th birthday, and I'm sure it is going to be super special. Have a great year. Do amazing things as you always do, and keep rocking. Bye.
Hey Ritu, I think it's been more than a year since you left Bangalore. Still miss that cute smile, still miss hanging out with you, with all your lame jokes you give out. So I hope you're safe in Pune and you have a quarantined silent birthday. Don't go out, because you will. And so happy birthday from all of us, from me and Neetu, and rock as usual.
Happy birthday, Ritu! You've become 25. Can't believe it. And it's been 5 years since we met each other and we have known each other. I know we have not spent much time lately, and I'm sorry, I have been a bit busy with my own work, but I really, really miss you a lot, and I really miss being around you or chatting with you, talking to you. Just hope we get to spend much more time together soon, and we should plan to meet as soon as you come back to Pune. I hope you're safe, and it's a bit sad that your 25th birthday is in lockdown, but still have fun and enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Hi Ritu, a very happy birthday to you. You know, I'm wearing this specifically to record this video. Anyway, I wish you have a crazy day and an amazing year ahead. And I wish you all the happiness in the world. And I can't even tell you how much I miss you right now. I wish we were together celebrating your birthday. But I don't think that's happening anytime soon. So let's plan to meet as soon as this gets over. You know, I miss working besides you. I miss our coffee evenings. I miss having dinner at Meghna Biryani's. So let's catch up soon, and I really, really love you, and I hope this makes you happy and brings a smile to your face. Love you a lot. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ritu. I'm really sorry I couldn't be there with you on this day to celebrate your birthday with you, but I'm sure my blessings will reach you very soon. Always keep smiling, keep yourself happy, find your inner peace, keep people around you happy also, because I'm sure you have that vibe that people around you tend to be more happy and they smile more. At least I have experienced that. But don't lose out on your happiness in the process. Your happiness should be the priority, and I just wish all the happiness, all the best to you for the coming years. Yes, the t-shirt is obviously kind of a tribute to the place that I met you first, and that is, I think, the best thing that happened to me there. Meeting you, sharing puns, amazing jokes on people, getting disowned by them, unfriended by them, but that's just part of the process. I think we share a lot of good music together, and to the times we were sober, to the times that we were not, we still stayed strong, and that is key to a long-lasting friendship. I hope that I continue, on that journey with you for a longer time and forever. I also hope that we meet very soon. It's been long due that we have met. We have planned a lot of trips, but obviously nothing has happened yet after I have moved to the north. So I hope that we do it soon. I hope we explore more places together, and I hope that time comes soon too. So stay happy, keep people around you happy, wishes to your family, and just stay happy and just the way you are.
Hey Ritzy Pritzy, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. And यार I miss you so much. जल्दी से मिलते हैं यार. And I love you. I love you so much.
Hi Ritu baby. So this is my 6th or 7th take and I'm not doing this again. So I'm just going to say it. Many happy returns of the day, baby. Be that little chirpy, cute, innocent Ritu I've known, because you make everyone's life a lot better just by smiling. So keep smiling and let this be your best birthday. And Ritu, I miss you so much. I really miss you so much. I love you lots and lots and lots. So wishing you a very very happy birthday again. Love you.
मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है खाना बदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए